This place is such a literal mess. Jesus. I mean, when we get back, we're gonna have to clean all this up because the bullet demands so much attention that it's constant go, 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 fix the next thing and move on. And then this is what my work area becomes. First things first, get over to Zach's, drop off the car, go over the game plan on what we need to do. When we get the car back, we'll put the bumper back on, do a little bit of test driving, double check for leaks from our manual conversion stuff, and then show you guys what's in this box so we can move on from that. Also, I found this little cheap backup camera on Amazon that I'm gonna try to install onto the truck because I'm tired of having to get in and out every time I got to back up onto the trailer and hook it up. It's a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna try this out and see how this works for us. I've already changed out the spark plugs in the bullet and it's running a lot cleaner, feels a lot better so far. After Zach finishes it, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take him for a ride and just kind of feel out the car. It's got a road with a lot of room over there, so I think I can get on it a little bit better than I am able to here by my house. And this is what I'm talking about. These brakes feel so spongy now after driving the bullet. It's like a cloud. On we go.
Yes.
Okay.
My tiny legs can't walk that fast.
It's okay. We barely beat the rain, but we're over here at my buddy Zach's house. Check out this garage setup. It is crazy. God, I want this setup so bad. Talk about a garage right behind his house. Ultimate dream setup right here. And of course, we've already got the bullet unloaded, and we're going over all the little specifics on how he wants to do this so we can get it nice and lined out.
So, stupid question, are you opposed to the weld on the inside? Because that's a hell of a lip right there. Yeah. I can weld it right there and it'll be almost seamless.
Well, yeah.
And this will be just a line right here instead of a weld. It's a lot cleaner.
That's fine.
Yeah. Are you still wanting this kind of setup, or you want a smoother merge, or how do you want it?
Whatever you think. You do
your
it.
car, man.
You make it look like if it was your car, you know? I'd probably do that first before you loosen the bottom piping, because once you do that, these coolers are going to be super floppy. It's going to be flopping all over the place, but and it's got water in it right now.
Yeah, I have to drain everything out.
Okay.
Just to
move them around.
And also the paint's going to go for
yeah, that's fine.
At least well on the front too. So I'm gonna
okay. Yeah, that's fine.
That's a nice tight radius, man. You can
yep.
Shop it right there. Install your V-band. I mean, we can keep it flat because it'll be right there. Or
Yeah,
we can
it'll go almost right underneath, huh?
Yeah, I mean, we can do it the same way. I mean, that's a pretty good look.
Yeah.
Where it kind of flows underneath the turbo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clean it up just a little bit.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna try to keep the bottoms straight welded to the pipe, to the cooler, and then the only V-band will be up here at the turbo, and then do another V-band on top of the cooler to go into a vibrant clamp on the new throttle body. But yeah, other than that, she's ready for your gentle hands, sir.
Gentle-ish. You won't get beat up that bad.
I'm excited. I'm excited to actually get the airflow into the motor again so I can make some decent power.
Without those intercoolers, it's going to be pretty smooth sailing.
Yeah. Check out this place. Golly. You set up nice over here, dude.
What if I made like a removable intercooler support right here?
I would be okay with that because this is a little too flimsy for my liking.
So basically, what I would do is just drill another hole right there. And have 2 holes.
Well, I don't even utilize this bottom hole.
Yeah, use a 1-inch tube across.
Yeah.
And then you can just make your brace points right there.
Straight to down there. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
This.
It'll help stabilize this too.
Sure.
Because it's just got that small little bar at the bottom. But yeah, I'm cool with that.
I think that's a good idea, actually. A little brace for you.
Yeah.
A little 1 inch or something.
Yep. So weird not seeing the car here, obviously. I got to clean this place up while it's gone. But we actually need to go back over to Zach's real quick because we need to drop off some things that I forgot to drop off, and we ended up getting a couple extra pieces anyways. The new Vibrant HD clamp that we're going to use at the throttle body and the actual Ward throttle body as well. So we got to get those over to him.
I think it'd be better once y'all move around.
Yeah. You gotta take it at least for one drive after we finish it.
Do just a roll and burnout.
That's fine. I'm down with that. I'm good with that. Trying to brace these coolers. Came up with this nice little brace right here that'll keep these puppies pretty much solid, right? Already fixed he went ahead and fixed the header. Most people didn't really know because you can't really tell unless you're really looking at it, which Zach immediately looked at it.
Crazy about stuff.
But the turbos were definitely not even at all. But he went ahead and took the liberty and fixed that for me. I appreciate it, sir. Now they're sitting a lot more level. They look right.
For the most part.
Yeah.
Don't put a level on it.
Don't put a level on it.
Don't look at it that way.
It looks a ton better than it did, that's for sure. So
yeah, I agree.
We're already coming up with an idea of what we're gonna do. I think we were originally saying we were gonna go 3.5 out of the thing, but let's go. You're thinking let's go ahead and just do 4 inches. 4 inches right into the 3 for the cooler, and yeah. Went ahead and brought over the new Vibrant clamp that we got in the mail, along with the Ward throttle body that we also got from our buddies. And yeah, it looks, I miss the car. I miss seeing it in my garage mostly, is what I
miss
do.
it too, man. It's nice opening those doors and seeing it.
Seeing that parachute hanging out. But yeah, cool. Got a good game plan, good setup. And yeah, it's gonna be fun. How'd you like taking that header out of there?
Once I figured out how to do it, it was a breeze.
Yeah. This side is the hardest. I mean, this side, the alternator has to come out completely, which is a chore in itself.
I'm glad I did.
Yeah, that side is definitely difficult. All right, well, that's it for the update. Hopefully, are you gonna try to post anything on your social media so I can tag you, or what? No? Maybe. You want people to go check you out?
If you want.
Yeah, so I'll leave his handle right here if you want to see more of what's going on with the Bullet. Go ahead and check out his Instagram. I'm sure he'll post a picture or two on there. That's it. I'm gonna leave this man to work, and we're gonna head out and go for a drive. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go for a drive as soon as the car's ready. I'm bringing the bumper. We'll put it on, and we'll go for a drive. Are you okay with sitting in a carbon fiber seat? Have you checked it out? Okay, well this isn't that bad. All right, we're out of here.